Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Are you ready to work with a trusted and cheap Anderson Moving Company? Three Movers can offer all the essential services for your long distance or local move. We provide services for all kinds of people, including residential and commercial. When you prefer a less difficult moving day, we're here to help you. Our staff of expert movers will ensure your long distance move goes efficiently. We help you relocate to the next state over or all the way across the USA. Our moving services provide you all of the right choices to individualize your move for your particular needs. Along with the basic long distance moving services, we also provide each of the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, always on time, and transparent pricing. It might not be very easy to justify the cost of getting a California moving company. However, when you begin to notice the benefits, the price seems to be well worth it. You also gain the advantage of conserving time on your local move, which may be well worth it. Movers can also ensure you don't have to stress over injury because you don't need to do any heavy lifting. With our skilled movers, you can get a very effective move from start to finish. Using a local company such as Three Movers, you get a streamlined move. A move that may take you all weekend to perform, we can manage in one day. Call us now and choose the top Anderson Moving Company for your needs. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.